Welcome, today in front of me CUBOT tablet 10 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's launch Gmail application, and after that we can see that we are logged in here in Gmail account. And if you want to log out from Gmail account in Gmail app, we should log out from Google account on our device. And to do that, we should click here to manage accounts on this device, then tap to this account, and to log out from here you should click remove account, and then tap to remove account again and tap here to OK. Now confirm with pattern or with password or PIN code if you have some unlock methods on your device. And now we can see that in Google account settings we just have now here any accounts again. And let's go back now to the application, let's refresh it, and we can see that we successfully log out also from Gmail application. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.